is. If I didn't want to leave that room, I would not leave, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. You know, I already told you something. If you do not stress me, I won't stress you. Do you understand? So I actually had to do this video because of what Joy has been doing recently. You know, at first I did not want to reply her, but so let me tell you something. Human beings, we can't hide forever. You know, no matter there's this attitude, like you can't hide yourself forever. You will not be able to hide yourself forever. You get it? You know, she's saying yeah, she's not after, she's not after me. Oh, she's happy my husband and I are back, you know. Excuse me. She said it's something that she has been waiting for, which is the peace. You know, like I said, you can hide your identity, but you can't hide who you are. Do you get it? You know, I actually said this because of you. I don't know if you saw it on my page yesterday. Do you get it? Right now, you are being childish. Yeah, that is what I would say. Because you have been with my husband for months. Do you understand? And I just came. It is not up to a week. Not like I just came, but we just stayed together. Like, it's not even up to a week, and you're already like this. I don't know, but what were you expecting? Let me make one thing clear that you do not understand. You see, all those times that I was not around, I would just put it like you were just helping me to fill in the space of my husband's cravings. That is what I would say. We're just filling the space of his cravings because his woman was not there. So me coming back, no matter the strategy that you bring, no matter the strategy, see, let me tell you, if I didn't want to leave that room yesterday, I wouldn't leave. I will tell him to go and meet you where you are. I wouldn't leave if I don't want to leave, and nobody's gonna force me. Do you understand? It is. If I didn't want to leave that room, I would not leave, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. You know, I already told you something. If you do not stress me, I won't stress you. Do you understand? I will not stress you, but I think you're forgetting what we said about not stressing each other. And now you're trying to put the how will I put it? You're trying to, you know, bring a strategy to get him on your side. You're trying to get him on your side, which I find very childish. Do you know why I said it's childish? Because you were the same person that came out saying you were happy that we are back. You are the same person that said this is what you wanted. Like I said on my page, you can hide your identity, but you can never hide who you are. Do you understand? I posted it on my page yesterday. All those crying, you are now saying it is because of the bully. You see, this is why I came outside and told my fans not to insult Joy. Because I know the kind of person she is. She will use it to create something, and everybody's going to feel I'm a bully. Or maybe I'm sending my fans to her. I just see it as a strategy that you're using to enter him. And let me tell you, that is a poor strategy. Because when you were crying, you were saying it's because of the bully. I don't say because of the bully. When we're talking about bully, I was bullied more than the way you're being bullied right now. Do you get it? Do you know the insult I took from everybody? At that point, nobody was on my side. The whole world, my husband, his friends, family, everybody was totally against me. Do you get it? But you have him on your side. You have some of his friends on your side. You have his brother on your side. You have people that are actually on your side right now fighting for you. But me, I literally had no one, and I was doing it myself. Do you get it? I fought on my own before my big mommy and my brother decided to intervene because it was getting too much. It was getting too much, and now you come out crying like a baby. Who are you crying for? Like, what were you even expecting? You were expecting that with the fact that I'm back, you're still going to get the full attention. So let me tell you something. All those ones you were crying and you were saying it was because of the bully. I know it is not because of the bully. I accepted you because I wanted peace. I did not want issues. I don't want it to look as if everybody are going to start saying, aha, your husband don't forgive him. Next thing now, Joy, you want to start another drama. I was actually avoiding that. I didn't want to look like a troublemaker. I will advise you abide by the law that we put down. Do not stress me, so I do not stress you. But once you decide to stress me, do not forget, I have it up here. I decided to leave that room because I wanted to be understanding. But if I didn't want to leave, there is no way anybody's going to force me out. Do you understand? This strategy doesn't suit you. But instead, you're using it to tell me direct that you're not happy that we are together. In case you do not know. You're telling me that you do not want us together. That is the message you're sending to me. To those of you that were thinking I was supporting her, I was being kind to her, yes. I was not supporting her. But she's bringing out the strategy now that my fans are bullying her. That is why she's crying. And if anything happens because of her tears, they will say it is because my fans are insulting her. Thank God the insult has reduced. Now that she said that they are no longer insulting her, she's bringing a strategy that my husband doesn't have her time again. She's switching. That is why I want everybody to try and understand me from my own point of view. You see, now that the insult has stopped, that she has seen that she has nothing, she used to hold me again. She has to come now that my husband doesn't have her time. Me and my husband have been together for months. And I just came in. It is not even up to a week. Like I said, what you were when I was not around is just a space. You were only helping my husband get over his cravings. You were just helping him get over his cravings because I was not there. And the only thing he wants from you right now, the only thing he wants is his baby. In case you do not know. So you understand. And which is why I am still calm. Because you have not given him his baby. Those of you saying she has respect, she's this, she's that. No problem. She's revealing herself already. She don't reveal herself, so continue bringing out new strategies because I'm fully ready for you. I am fully ready for you. You're trying to use your baby to hold him down. Tell him he doesn't have your time. I don't know, but you might be forgetting that I am his first and legal wife. She gets it. I am the first and legal wife. And there is nothing you do that can change that fact. I am fully prepared for whatever drama that you're going to bring out. Very, very fully prepared. If I was a weakler, I do not think I would have fought to this stage. And you should know that by now. I am not somebody that backs out in a fight. I don't back out, except I do not want that thing. Except I do not want it. But all I'm asking is for you to be careful of what you're doing. Not push me to the wall. I am not as calm as I am right now. I give it to you the way you want it. I do not just blow up. I do not just flame up. It is what you do that makes me react. And I am telling you to be very, very careful. I am not that nice. I am not that nice. I am not somebody. You see, one thing I like myself about is I am not somebody that hides what I feel. And that's why most people see me as an arrogant person. That is why most people see me as a rude person. I tell you how it's doing me. Me, I declare you fast. Anything will happen, may happen. At least I know say I don't pour my mind out. She gets it. But not you beating around the bush and pretending to be who you're not. Stop pretending to be who you're not. If you continue pretending to be who you're not, you're going to lose at the end. That is one thing. In case you do not know, go back and ask. My husband and I took a vow, which is for better, for worse. And when you talk about a true definition of a woman that stood for worst, I am a big definition, except you do not know or you do not understand. I keep saying this and I'll continue to say, you cannot withstand the battle I did. You cannot withstand it. You cannot even, you can't stay with him 1 quarter. If you were in my shoes, I do not think you can stand whatever they did to me. You that I'm saying cannot stand it. Yes, we were friends, but you were a friend that turned back on your friend. You took what was very precious to your friend and you decided to be a demon. You know me so well. You know how calm I am. You know how nice I am. Thank God you said it in the video that you did not expect that I was going to accept you. Nobody will ever do what I did. Instead, they will make sure that you go out first before they come inside. If I wanted to stretch the whole issue, I can stretch it. What I decided to do was cut it off for peace to reign. And I see now that you do not want peace. And that problem you are looking for, I am begging you, do not go there. So we don't start again. Do not go there. You see the way we are peaceful. That is how I want it to be. I don't want issues. I don't want any issue at all. You were the one that put yourself in this position. Nobody helped you. Nobody opened your leg. You were the one that put yourself in this position. So whatever happens to you, you would accept it. I am not talking to you as a friend. I am not talking to you as a sister. I am talking to you as the first and legal wife of David Ifechukwu. You stay put. Do not start what you cannot finish. Because at the end, you will lose. I am not saying you might. You will lose. And I'm sorry, I will not feel sorry for you by then. But everybody has saying, open your eyes, joy is this, joy is that. Nobody has to tell me that. Someone that can even, a friend that can take her friend's husband. It's only a fool that will not be wise. It's only a fool that they will ought twice. Oh, have you forgotten the day you kicked my bag? Or have you forgotten the day you were shouting that she must leave, she should leave? Have you forgotten the day you threw a pillow at me? Or not to talk less of you stealing my man? No, you shouldn't forget that. I forgive, but I did not forget. So all I'm asking, do not trespass, because you don't like the new me that is going to come outside. I might be even way worse than what I was before. I am not nice. I'm only nice to who wants me to be nice to them. I do not take trash from anybody. So be very careful. Mind your steps, for I will mind mine. If you do not look for me, I will not look for you. The fact that I'm nice right now, I would advise you accept it like that. Do not do what you are going to regret. Do you understand? Because the last time we had an argument, I told her, as a pregnant woman, sometimes you need your man. What did she tell me in that video? She said, no, it's a lie. You don't have to sleep. It's not a must a man sleeps with his wife. So why are you saying he has to sleep with you right now for your baby's health? He needs to do something for your baby's health. You were the same person that was telling me that it is not necessary. You were abusing me. You were mocking me of my own pregnancy because I could not give a baby. You were the same person that was mocking me. And now it turns out that you need it too. Hold your pretense to yourself and bring out the real you. Stop faking it. Stop. Because you can't fake it forever. The truth will surely come out one day. You get it? Because you were very happy when I was being bullied. When I was being insulted, you were very happy. But now they insult you, you start crying. Say Mary's fans are bullying you. Now you don't sit down one hole again. My fans don't stop with abuse you. You don't they turn into you don't have my time. Have sense. Receive it. Have sense.